We've discovered a star cluster that has less heavy elements than any other star cluster of its type. And it's really exciting because it suggests that these star clusters can form in different environments than we thought was previously possible. So a globular cluster is a roughly ball-shaped cluster of stars, and these are typically quite old. We have about 150 of them in our Milky Way galaxy that we know of. They give us some clues as to what was going on in our galaxy and, by inference, other galaxies early on in universe history, billions of years ago. As astronomers, we're interested in figuring out basically how we get from the Big Bang to what we see today. So the discovery is that we found a globular cluster which has a lower metallicity than any other globular cluster. Metallicity is the relative amount of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium in a star. Stars, for most of their lives, have essentially the same fractions, the same relative amounts of these heavy elements as what they're born with. You could almost think of it as like DNA. Hydrogen and helium are the most common elements in the universe. They were produced in the Big Bang. Pretty much everything else in the universe was manufactured inside of stars. Elements like iron, calcium, carbon, things that we're made of, things that the Earth is made of. Up until this point, it looked like there were no globular clusters with as low a fraction of these heavy elements. And what we've discovered is one that's well below this limit. Many telescopes around the world are currently shut down because of the COVID-19 situation. And here in Australia, we're lucky that we're able to keep the Anglo-Australian telescope operating. It is not the largest telescope in the world. It's a 4-meter telescope compared to nowadays there are 8-meter and 10-meter diameter telescopes. However, with the suite of instruments it has, it's actually ideally suited for the work that we're doing. And again, we're getting really exciting data and really exciting results that are, I would say, world class. And certainly in the current COVID-19 era, we're getting data and most other people are kind of dead in the water in terms of being able to use their telescopes because their telescopes are all shut down.